video on the little box I designed. So basically, you have the leaves that we designed that you can buy separately if you want. What I did is I made a pattern to make these into a little organizing box. So what you do is you glue all the layers together, which I've already done to save time, except for the very last layer that has the holes in it. So what we have is a bottom and two sides which will fit together like so. If you notice, when you put these together, this should be flush here. I did that to discern top from bottom. And what I would suggest, what I do is I take a little bit of glue and I just kind of put it in the corner and let it run down that seam. I just do a little bit at first so that it can hold it steady for you. With a little bit of glue, you should be able to kind of angle it so that it fits in the holes like that. And then this piece here will go just like that. Then you just take a little bit of glue and put it in each of these little notches. That'll seal this on here, and likewise on this side. That, let that dry. Now, super glue is a good temporary hold. What I would do is probably go on the bottom where you're not going to see it, and I will do a little more glue just to keep this box together. And then once that dries, you're going to glue these on here on the ends. Whoops. What I use for most of my gluing projects is Gorilla Glue. Super glue is a good temporary for like joinery and stuff. It dries quick, but I prefer the Gorilla Glue. I've had stuff that I've glued together in the heat for months, and it doesn't come apart. With super glue, some of this material I use paneling will flex, and I just go around the edges with a nice little bead. Maybe a few dots in the middle. And then we're just going to glue this right on here. And I like the Gorilla Glue because you can kind of reposition it to where you want to get, where it's going to be. And then you can put some clamps on it. Usually I'll just let it sit like this for an hour do one side at a time.